Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you where the main junction block is on the engine compartment on our 2011 Ford F-150. I've already popped the hood open, just need to use a safety latch. And on this 3.5 liter, it is located right in the center out of the engine compartment above the fan shroud. You have two tabs here, you push on those tabs in, it has the indication of the fuse box, and then you can flip it open. You don't have to take the hinge off, the door off, and you have your numbers for relays, main fuses, mini fuses, and in your driver's manual inside the glove box or wherever you keep it, you should have a schematic showing you the numbers and what they're for, what power source. Always close the lid and make sure it snaps down. You're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.